Magluluto tayo ngayon ng simpleng soup. This is something that go-to soup ko if I'm not feeling well. Maybe you cannot tell, but I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. Dahil nga siguro nag-change ang season namin from winter to spring. Anyway, madali lang to. Here are our ingredients. What you can see here, we have garlic. This is garlic. Of course, this is onion, maraming kamatis, at maraming luya. Yeah, that's something that my mom told me. Kapag masama yung pakiramdam mo, a lot of ginger will help. So we have a lot of ginger on this one. And then we have here, this is paminta. This is fish sauce. We have here sinigang mix, and then sili. This is sweet. Hindi ko alam ang tawag kasi rito eh. It's supposed to be siling haba, but it looks different here. It's banana pepper. So matamis siya ng konti. And then our main ingredients para sa malakas na pangangatawan, it's beef tripe and some laman ng beef. So we've got all our ingredients ready. Let's start cooking. Kailangan nyo ng pot like this. So depende sa dami ng iluluto nyo, syempre. This one is not a lot. Kapag mainit na ang kaldero, lalagay natin ang mantika. Konti lang para mag-isa lang ang ating ingredients. Unahin natin ang bawang. Sibuyas. Masyadong malakas ang ating apoy. So, pahinain lang natin siya ng konti. Susunog ang ating mga ingredients. Pwede na rin natin isama ang ating luya. Tapos, isama na rin natin ang kamatis. Tagal ng konting maluto ang kamatis. Just spread it out evenly. And we will let our tomatoes sweat a little bit more. Takloban muna natin. Maamoy nyo na yung aroma ng luya, which is good. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung maganda at mabuti kung meron kayong sore throat at kailangan nyo ng mainit na soup. And that's how I'm feeling right now. I need a good soup para maalis yung sore throat ko. At this point, pwede na nating idagdag at igisa kasama nito ang ating laman ng baka. So, let's just add it. Isa lang maayos. At least a little bit brown. From here, dagdag na natin ang tripe. Akala nyo lang, sobrang dami nito, pero kapag napakulo, liliit din siya pag naluto. So, mukha lang siyang mga malalaking pieces right now. But as you cook it, it will shrink into smaller pieces. We can add our seasoning at this point. Ito yung paminta. And then, ang ating patis. Para may lasa na kagad yung inyong meat. Ayan. Gusto ko lang iginigisa ang mga ingredients na maayos para ma-absorb ng ating meat yung lasa ng ating seasoning. Pwede na nating lagyan ng sabaw. Ang gagamitin kong sabaw dito is yung hugas bigas. There's a certain nutrient that you get from hugas bigas. Kaya yun yung idinadagdag natin sa soup para makadagdag pa rin sa nutrients ng ating soup na niluluto. So, let's add it right now. Add enough just to cover the meat. Gaya nito. And then we will leave this to boil for an hour at least, or until the meat is tender. We will just cover it and let it boil. Takluban muna natin siya. We will check it after half an hour para i-adjust natin yung seasoning. Pinabayaan ko muna siyang kumulo for 45 minutes. Ang half an hour kasi hindi enough. Matigas pa siya. So, right now, it's been boiling for at least over 45 minutes. At this point, pwede na natin i-adjust yung kanyang seasonings. Asin at paminta yung idadagdag ko. Kung kulang pa yung kanyang lasa, tikman nyo para alam nyo kung tama yung kanyang lasa. Matabang siya ng konti. So, meron ako ritong asin at saka paminta. Dadagdag na lang natin siya ng sabay. Kulong-kulong siya right now. Pwede na rin natin idagdag ngayon yung pampaasim kasi konti na lang naman yung ilalapot niya. Halos luto rin. So, ito yung pampaasim natin. And lastly, isasama na rin natin itong ating siling haba. I'll leave it to boil till talagang tama na yung kanyang tenderness. Nasa inyo na yun. But with me, I'm gonna leave it for at least another half an hour. Takloban lang uli natin. Ayan, luto na ang ating soup. Ready na siya.
Hope you'll enjoy the soup as much as I do. Kain tayo! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time!